Welcome to the world of sparks and steel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and bonds are forged that last a lifetime. This is Welding at LCCTC. In the world of welding, every arc, every bead brings metal to life in a symphony of skill and precision. From understanding different types of welds to mastering the use of welding equipment, our students receive comprehensive training to excel in the field of welding. Join us in the world of welding, where every weld, every project is a testament to the power of skill and creativity. Enroll today and ignite your passion for welding in the dynamic and rewarding field of metalwork. LCCTC, your choice, your future.